Okay, I got another product review. This is something I've been needing or wanting or whatever. A little electric chainsaw. Get that box out of here. There's the, I think this is a 12-inch. Get all this stuff out of here. Really been needing to get this video done so I can use it. Put it together and use it. Haven't even seen inside the box yet. Here's all your, now this is a SWJ. I don't think I've put any oil in this. No, not yet. But this is an electric one. Gonna use it with my Blue 80. That's pretty handy. Just unscrew it there, pull that cover off. Now the pole saw that I have, I liked it so well that I went and bought the electric chainsaw that goes with it. I wanted one where you can have both hands on it. This one really don't have the lock on it like the gas ones do. But it does have a guard on it here. Guard your hands. Looks like it's got the oiler there. Should be automatic oiler. And you got a safety switch here. Pull the trigger. We'll fire it up here shortly. I guess we could do it before we put it together. Yeah, it's even got a guard on it. That's cool. Yeah, this is the SWJ. Probably seen it in one of my other videos. It's an electric pole saw. It's really long. It extends way out so you can cut the trees. See that? SWJ. I really like this product. Even got a wrench on it. That's cool. So, make sure that chain is going the right direction, and it is. So, I'll get an extension cord over here. Pull this off of here. And I'll put this thing all together and we'll be right back. Okay, got it all together. You got this. This was refurbished, by the way. Got this on eBay. This is your, I think, a 90-day warranty. It's been refurbished. You got a 90-day warranty. There's your cover. Got an extension cord on it. I haven't got the oil in it yet. We're gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. Don't cut nothing here. Yeah, that's... I bet that'll cut something, I tell you what. Wow. SWJ. That's another nice product. Yeah. I like the pole saw. You look in some of my other videos, you can see it. I think it's in the one with the Blue 80 in it. You see the pole saw, it's green, and I could go run and get it, but... Okay, here's another SWJ. Now I've had this one probably 3 or 4 years, and it's always worked really good. So that's why if I'm going to buy another electric saw, it's going to be the same brand, because I like this one here so well. Yep, just a little, I think this is an 8-inch, and this should be a 12-inch. 12-inch saw. This use the correct extension cord so you get one that'll handle the amps. Yeah, this I'll get some oil in this and I might be using that and then within the week. Just don't want to cut nothing. Then got a little bit loose. Unplug it here. Tighten it up a little bit. Then here's your, tighten that up a little bit, that'd be good to go. Yeah, that's a nice saw. So I want to do a quick video on this, get it put together so I can start using it. So when I find a product that I really like, I'll make a video on it. So there's another good product, no problem with it. All right, thanks for watching.